just got to Bordeaux and just trying to sort out how to get down to Hossegor. But it should be sweet. I'm pretty sure there's a bus here in 2 hours. I'm quite certain. Literally got talking to someone at the train station at the bus stop and just tried some French, and he was just like, I'll just take you to Airbnb because it's quite a big walk. What a legend. But I'm jammed back here in the back of the car. It's like no space at all. Seriously, I love this place.
I never made this. That's the first time. I think that's not the same way.
Oh, the ocean.
Oh shit.
Made it. Ah. Biarritz. Stairs and surfboards. So hot. I'm gonna go for my first surf in Biarritz. It's a little bit rainy, but it's my birthday, so I have to go surfing.
What the fuck?
France is one of the only places in the world, along with Africa perhaps, where I feel so grounded and comfortable, even whilst travelling. I'm fascinated by the language, the history, and unique architecture. It's one of the only places that I've heard church bells ringing from the water and felt so close to generations of interesting stories. There was a particular surfing scene that I really wanted to capture to reflect this beautiful blend of history and riding waves. 500 mangue sèche.
Oui.
Merci. Et 500 cajou. Oui, merci. The biggest problem with speaking French is I go into, a cafe or restaurant or something and say, je veux pratiquer mon français, s'il vous plaît, or je veux pratiquer mon français aujourd'hui or ce soir. And then I might order in French and they then think I can speak French. So they'll come and start speaking really fast. And maintenant, parfois, je ne comprends pas français. They just speak too quick. Some guys reached out on Instagram and they're like, hey, we'd love to give you some boards to try. And actually some using recycled PU foam. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm gonna go down the front and grab a couple of boards and try them out now, out the front. So we'll see how we go. More experimentation, it seems. Yo! How are ya? I read it was like you're doing some recycled stuff as well?
Yeah, the blanks it's recycled.
Yeah.
Like you can see actually, like sometimes there's this one got a...
Oh yeah, little blemishes and stuff.
Yeah. And everything is from France, like the resin except the plug actually.
Yeah. How's it look?
It's looking good actually. It's a little bit windy, but I think it's gonna be, there's gonna be a few ones that are gonna be good.
What did you think of my barrel?
Yeah, it was crazy actually. Insane.
Yeah, I was just floating there and there was like a set that came and I missed the good one, well what I thought was a good one, and then the next one just kind of just peaked up.
I think it was the best wave of the day, no?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is dog shit.
And it has a little bit of size as well, no?
As the waves go flat for a week and the storm rolls in, I'm back to the computer to fund this whole journey. I'm shifting up to Hossegor for some epic beach breaks, and I'll share those with you next time.